This presentation will explain how to interpret your student's report card with standards-based grading. First, in general, this is what the top of the report card looks like. When I click on the example, you can see specifically what your student's attendance was, and then the proficiency scoring. A 3 is advanced, 2 proficient, 1 emerging, and NE for no evidence. NE, no evidence, means that nothing was turned in to show any results for that particular standard. Next, you'll see an area that shows overall scores and grades for each subject taken. And then within each content area, you will see an explanation of the standard and then the score for that particular standard. So in Spanish, these are all the standards that were assessed. Here is a list of all the overall scores for each standard that the student received. Here's another example. This is what you will see in IC as well, where you see the standard and the score. In the end, these 3s and 2s are averaged to represent a letter grade. For elementary, the report card looks just a little different. At the top, you will see the attendance and you will see the academic performance level for what that means. A 3 meets grade level expectations, a 2 approaches grade level, a 1 does not meet grade level, and NA means not assessed at that time. Here's an example of what each subject will look like. What you will see is a list of what the standards are and what the expectations for learning are. And then for each semester, you'll see what the grade is for that specific standard. And rather than a letter grade, it's a number to show whether that student is proficient in that standard or not. Now let's explain how that number is interpreted to be a letter. There's an algorithm used to calculate the final letter grade for grades 7 through 12. Each standard score is averaged together to achieve an overall letter grade. So for this example, you'll see that the numbers add up to be an average of 2.25. When you look at the scale score average, that 2.25 is interpreted to a letter grade, which then turns into a GPA. In this case, the 2.25 is interpreted as a BC letter grade, and in turn becomes a 2.5 GPA average. If you would like additional information or see additional resources, please visit our Little Chute Area School District website, or you can contact me at awachtel@littlechute.k12.wi.us with any additional questions you may have. Thank you.